Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to create email templates in Gmail. So just head to your computer. For some reason Google just keeps this feature hidden and turned off by default, and it only works on a desktop. So open it up, look for your settings gear icon, and then choose See All Settings. This is where we'll show you where that setting is. Then look at the row of tabs across the top of your settings page and slide all the way over and click on Advanced tab. Right here, it's the third one from the end. Scroll down just a little bit until you see a row labeled Templates. There you go, Templates, and just go ahead and enable it and save the changes. Alright, the page is going to reload, and then go back into that same setting. Here, All Settings, Advanced. And then guys, you need to go ahead and click Compose button, just like you usually would. Let's say I'm just gonna send this message to myself, subject, and the text itself. So whatever you name the subject line here will automatically become a default subject line whenever you load the template in the future. So leave placeholders like bracketed hi name where you need to fill in custom details later. And with your draft looking clean, look down at the bottom right corner and then choose three dots here. Then you go Templates and then save this draft as a template. Then choose this Save as New Template, like this. And then say I will just name this Hi World, and then save it. And then guys, once it's saved, in order to load it, you go here once again, Templates, and then choose Hi World, and whatever you've had written everywhere here in the subject and stuff will be populated and loaded instantly into your Compose window. That is it, enjoy, and thank you for watching.